Holy cow. We're fucking hands like the ground.
It's kind of floating the front end up. That's good. That's good.
All this fucking weight.
Why did this hole get so deep?
I know. It doesn't look like it.
No.
Jesus Christ! Ah! Holy shit!
We're gonna fucking drown! Holy cow! Holy cow!
We're fucking Hansley's gonna drown!
Super fun ride right here down the power lines at Suburban, hitting a bunch of like the deep, grassy, swampy holes. Pioneer did great all the way up to the very top of the snorkel, neck deep. Everything is still sealed nicely. Checked all the fluids after, and everything is nice and clean. So that's one thing I love about this Honda. The seals have been awesome on this Pioneer. And yeah, a lot of crazy people in this video doing a lot of crazy stuff. Way too much fun. This is part one from last Saturday, which was March 9th, I think. Hold on! Look at her face!
Hey! That is how you do it.
He's got the right tires, he'll be fine.
Can I record this?
Just try not to get too much of the snorkel, that's the problem. Whoa, wait! So, your snorkel's not as high as ours. You might want to hit the side right here. I'll show you where to go. Alligator!
Oh my god, there is a gator. I got it on film. I have it on film.
Big old gator. You can come right here. This is probably better. Alright, so we just drained the belt on this high lifter. He's back in business.
Hey Hunter, you're on film. Holy cow. Holy cow. It's getting deep.
Oh, this is how you break your ankle. Yeah, it cuts straight through there. That's where it's
Take your steering. There you go. There you go. You're almost there. Get out of that hole. There you go. All right, now, there you go. Now you're out of that hole. Give it gas, give it gas. Get it, girl. Oh, you're right, but keep it.
All right, first real test of the 32-inch Aztecs on the Pioneer. It's a pretty goopy mud up here. Let's see how she does. Not much. Hey, good news.